Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. It's very rare that I come on camera, but I wanted to share this day in a life with you guys of me cleaning my office. Well, showing you the aftermath of me cleaning my office and walking you guys through some of my organizational tips. I have been meaning to clean my office for quite some time. I've still been creating content throughout all of this, but all right, I'm just gonna give you guys a pan of what it looks like. I am not dressed up or anything. This is how I look when I'm home. I literally have on shorts and a t-shirt right now, but who's dressed up at home? Not I. So I'm gonna show you guys a pan of what I have to work on. And then after that, I'm gonna have a long session of editing, have a lot of content coming, and then mapping out the rest of the month for content and going into July. But first things first, I need to clean up this shit because it's a mess. Are you guys ready? I'll show you guys a pan right now. See, I wasn't joking when I said this was crazy. Do you see this? There goes my mommy over there. Yeah. Oh, wow. And I mean, there's more. It's literally, I start projects and let's look at my desk. Let's look at my desk. Oh, there's more. My paper clips fell everywhere. I have this stuff over here. That's actually okay. My shelves are in a disarray. Look, it gets better. It gets better. Have to clean up all that, but at least my closet is semi-decent. I did go ahead and start putting labels on stuff, but yeah. Oh, wait, and here's another. You can really see it here. So I'm gonna go and I'm actually gonna start over here and clean up this general area, and then I'm going to work around the room. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and I'll be popping back in and checking in with you guys very soon. Okay, it is now 2:40 p.m. I've been working on this for a solid 2 hours and it doesn't look like I've gotten anything done. I have been keeping hydrated. Shout out to the red Solo cup. One thing I did go ahead and do was label everything inside of here. I just used regular shipping labels and, well, address labels, not shipping labels, address labels. These are larger labels that you can get from Dollar Tree. Those are shipping labels, but these smaller ones are address labels. And I just use a Sharpie because I know what's in my stash. No sticker can make that happen for me. Then back over here, I've pretty much organized my cart. I've organized this shelf, so that's a plus. And then over here, I went ahead and took the things that it was over here on the floor and I put them over here. So on the top, that is receipts and stuff for projects I work on for church. That's the Wordsworth planner, which I will be reviewing. I have some Happy Planner stuff. This one I DIY'd. This is my Christmas memory planner. This is the micro notes, and this is my WrestleMania mini Happy Planner memory planner. I have videos on all three. Then I have my budget planner, my my reading notes notebook, and then I have an extra cover back there. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. And the divider that I'm using for that is this little mail organizer, letter organizer from Dollar Tree. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the other one yet. Then on the bottom, I have all of my books that I'm reading for the summer. Well, that's on my list. There's more, but those are the majority. And then over here on my iPad, I do have CSI New York on. You guys can find this on Amazon Prime. But now I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes to clean the floor. I am not going to micro organize for this part. That's one thing that's taken me longer for these past 2 hours, is because I was labeling. I was doing this thing over here. I was moving things around. I was working on my planner cart. But now I'm going to straight put garbage, what's going in the garbage, what I want to donate, and then everything else I'm going to stack on this side to go through. But my project for today is to completely have this clean, and hopefully I have to have more clarity to it, but if I can organize before the end of the day, then great. I want to stop around 5 So I'm going to give myself 2 more hours to really get this done. The first half hour though, I'm going to get this done. So I'm going to set a timer on my phone, just strictly cleaning and piling things up, and then I can go through it. That's my game plan. All right, give or take 5 minutes. I managed to clean up the floor. That stuff. Again, I was just getting all the crap off the floor. Underneath my desk is clean. Excuse my janky tile. But underneath my desk is clean. This I need to go through. But this is stuff that needs to find a home. This is stuff over here that needs to find a home. And then there's stuff over here that needs to find a home. So that's basically what's left. And then once I am completely done, I'm going to go ahead and, oh, and then that stuff over there needs a home too. But once I'm done, I'm going to get my Swiffer and really go back over the floor. But that's where I'm at now. I can now sit and go section by section. And I'm actually going to start with my desk. Because I basically know where all that stuff is going to go. This table is, I'm actually going to start with this table because I just need to get the stuff off of it. Oh, here's my micro. I've been looking for this. It's all beat up and stuff, but it's still cute. I'm just going to put that over there. So I'm going to start here. And then stuff over here, I'm probably going to just bag it and either put it in a donate bag or to put in my storage closet. And then the only other thing I have are these over here. What do y'all do with y'all boxes when y'all get new phones? Let me know. Do y'all recycle it? Do y'all keep it? What do y'all do? And then this stuff over here. And then everything that came off the floor that I was keeping is here. And then I just decided to put my computer there. So I still have some things to finish, but that 30-minute timer was everything. And now I can just take my time now. Well, not really take my time, but the floor is clean and whew, it's like a weight is lifted off my shoulders. That whole garbage bag is going to go out. So now I'm going to tackle this area and then I'll move to the perimeters because I want to get this desk put away. Well, this side table. And the time is now 3:21. So I'm probably going to take a quick break until 3:30, bathroom break. And grab a little snack and some more water, and then I'll be done. Well, I'll be back to doing what I was doing.